Hi everyone. Well, something came in the mail. Canterbury Slate Goatskin from Schuyler. Just arrived by FedEx. So, haven't seen it yet. Let's have a look. Okay. Wow, lovely colour. I really hoped it would look like that. I did ask Evangelical Bible about the colour because I wanted that sort of dove. It's a warm grey. That's a warm grey, not a cool grey. And have you seen this? It's red. Red liner, leather liner. Silver. This is going to be a quick one because I want to have a look at it shortly. So I'll review it later. It's just an unboxing. Get my hands free. So, beautiful spine. Oh, nice and flexible. And red under silver. And red ribbons. There's 3 of them. Careful. Good length too. Anyway, I just wanted to show it to you. Something beautiful. Hope my light's not too bright. Sometimes it is. Turn it down a bit. There, it's better. There. What a lovely thing. Been waiting on this one. Canterbury. King James, of course. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll do a review soon. Just want to get my hands on it and have a read. And there's a page to start with, and that's what it looks like. Drop caps. It's brand new. It's got that nice crinkly sound. I love how Schuyler's have translators to the reader in full. Not many do. A lot of Bibles don't have it at all. Anyway, Genesis. Beautiful. Gorgeous colour. Ooh, nice and nice. Feels lovely. I'm always looking for something that's close to the size of a Traveris. Beautiful, lovely leather. Anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless.